Hey everybody, we've got some rain coming in tomorrow. Again, there was a little bit today, and it's helping with the tomato plants. They're starting to blossom. Got some blossoms happening over here. Sun's starting to head down. There's our banana trees. And thankful for the break to not have to water everything, and things are starting to green up a little bit. Got some cucumbers starting again. Need to pinch that up a little bit. Take a dip a little later. I knew I saw one somewhere. There's a tiny Bella Rosa. My eggplant. I'm maybe making some eggplant little flowers. Been bottom watering them. These are all eggplant. This one's getting some funkiness going on its leaves. Make a really pretty purple flower. My pineapple's almost ripe. I see it. Let me back up. There it is. There's a lot going on around here. Planted a few squash. Planted another squash. One of those died. So I got cantaloupe, moon and stars, watermelons, I think some yellow squash I planted out here. And these are just going crazy because we're in the house working on things. There's our peanut plants. I'll show you down there, but there's peanuts down. I need to pick this. Oh, y'all, today we got some bell peppers in here. And some Malabar spinach that came out of nowhere. Some tomatoes. Oh, that one got squished. Tiny tomatoes. Oh my gosh. Look what I found! My glasses! I've been looking for days for these things. Oh my god. I knew I had to come out here. I knew it. So excited. Woohoo! I've looked everywhere for those things in the house. And I was like, where the heck did I put those boogers? More tomato plants. Tomatoes. Loofah. We got the loofah growing up over the chicken coop. And there's some really nice sized loofahs. Loofahs. Got some nice sized loofahs. There's some tomato plants here. More loofah just doing its crazy thing over here. Chicken's going to bed. Good night, Miss Chickie. You can see the loofah. These are the dwarf Cavendish. They started off down here when I planted them, and now they're just providing Miss Chickie some shade. There's some more cucumbers, tomatoes, and down here are our peanut plants. I've never grown peanuts before, so we'll just kind of keep watching them. They hopefully will do better after this rain. I did put a little bit of fertilizer out for them, so they should green up after the rain. That's a watermelon. Moon and stars. Ooh, the winds are picking up. Rosa Sharon. The green beans over here have not liked what's been happening. It's so hot. And this is that French Chantilly miniature cantaloupe I planted maybe a week ago. So, and in the hoop house, we've got our portulaca. Oh my gosh, look at all the flowies. So pretty. My mums look like poop because it's so hot. And then the basil's looking good. And yeah. Didn't take these out because they're making like a comeback. That's what's going on in here. So I got some Napolitos. And they're growing, they're blooming. So we're just gonna let them hang on. There's a few tomatoes in here, like, I think there's a few. I saw there's a few down here. Oh, there's one. There's one. Come on, buddy. Oops. And I'm scanning. I don't see any other ones. Alright. So glad I came out and found my glasses. That's one of our gladiolas. That one was a pink and white one, really pretty. And the moringa is making pods and flowies. The peach tree looks good. And what else is going on? Ugh. This made a few tomatoes. Like Juliet. And I got this potted up. This is our Thompson grapevine. So I got that potted up the other day, I guess. Yep. And I need to pick some cherry tomatoes tonight. Not a whole lot. Just a few. We picked unharvested all of our grapes from the grapevine. Back here, that's the Einset table grape. Delicious. And the pomegranate tree has lots of little pomegranates on it. Still blooming. There's lots on here. And this guy is making it pretty good so far, our little dwarf papaya tree. And this didn't make any avocados this season, I think because of the drought, but it looks pretty. I still don't see any buds. These are all just new leaves. No buds. We missed budding this season. It was high winds and lots of drought. But there's our pomegranate tree. It's huge. And this is our brown turkey fig. I planted that. Yep. That's what's going on. I can't believe I found these. I've been looking everywhere. Wanted to read some books. Super excited. Alright, that's it. Here's what's on my little farm porch stand. A few planty plants for sale. Chives, elephant ears, datura, loofah, and moringa. That's about it. And a snake plant. Alright.